What's good, guys? Welcome back to another review video. Today we'll be taking a look at Cut's brand new thermals. I have all three colorways that they're coming in right now, and that is Sage, this one is Coastal, and the one I'm wearing right now is Mulberry. So of course I will try all three of these on, give my thoughts and a rating at the end, so stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, for the materials, we have 58% cotton, 40% polyester, and 2% spandex. I will be wearing a size medium in all three shirts. I'm 6 feet tall, 160 pounds. The length on these is 29 inches. I measured them before the wash and after, so they didn't shrink at all. I wanted to talk about the Coastal colorway because online I feel like it looked a little bit more like sand khaki, and in person it looks a little bit more like taupe brownish. I actually much prefer the color that I got as opposed to the color that it looks like online. Guys, I honestly think these might be my favorite products so far from Cuts. My fiance loved them too. She actually made me order them for her.
Alright guys, now for the ratings. First up we have Fit, and for Fit they are getting a 5.7 out of 6. I love the way that these fit me. I think the length is perfect. I love that there's a little bit of space here, right like in the chest and like the width, I would say. The arms are nice and snug, but not like too crazy. A little bit of space there. I've had thermals in the past where they just fit like way too snug, like pajamas used to fit when I was a kid, you know what I mean? Like that's typically how I've had them. And this, you know, blows it out of the water and fit. It's perfect for myself. So again, 5.7 out of 6. For comfort, these are getting a 3.3 out of 4. Yes, it's comfortable. Feels just like a typical thermal would. It doesn't really feel much different than any other one that you've worn before, probably. So yeah, it's comfortable, but nothing out of this world. So 3.3. That gives them a total of 9.0 out of 10. All right, now for value. These are $72 a pop, which, you know, in comparison to other thermals, very expensive. You know, same with their shirts. In comparison to regular shirts, very expensive. It's hard to say because I just got these. I've washed them once. It's hard to say that they're worth $72 when I don't know the durability yet. Just from, you know, first wear, first wash, they don't feel like they're going to be as durable as the Pica Pro material, to be completely honest. But only time will tell. So right now, for value, I would probably say mediocre. They have a mediocre value just because they're really pricey. You could probably get like a thermal at Old Navy for like $15. So, you know, is it the same? No. Like this one's obviously much better. It looks better. The colors that you can choose from are just sick. I mean, these three colors that they gave us, awesome. Absolutely love them. So if it does really last a long time like their Pica Pro material, I would say they would get a good to great, just because if you look close right here, I don't know if you could see it, but it is kind of like fuzzy already, you know, and it might just stay like that. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Time will tell. I'll make like an updated video in like 6 months or something. All right, guys, that's going to wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which color you like the best out of the three. I think my favorite is the one I'm wearing right now, the Mulberry. And to be honest, I think Mulberry is my favorite color that they've ever made, which is a bold statement because they've made a lot of good colors. But I just want to show you their Mulberry hoodie just to show you the difference between this and the thermal, because the thermal's like a little bit faded. It has that like garment dyed look. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. But yeah, definitely subscribe, guys. I post new videos just like this one every single week. Like the video if you don't mind, and I will see you next week with the new one.
Like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cut throat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that.